Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Ram 2500. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ram has less than 109,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, trailer hitch, and rear privacy glass. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.